Meet Kyle, a curious 10-year-old who loves video games more than anything. One day, Kyle notices a glitch in his favorite game.
Hey, why are all the characters being so mean?
Kyle realizes this must be a glitch in the game's code.
I bet I can fix this if I learn how to code.
He learns about loops, variables, and functions, diving deeper into the world of coding.
Wow, coding is like giving instructions to a computer.
As Kyle applies his new coding skills, he teaches the game characters about manners.
If I change this line of code, maybe they'll say please and thank you.
With each coding lesson, the game world becomes friendlier. Kyle discovers that good manners and clever coding can solve many problems.
I did it! The game is fixed and everyone's being nice again.
Join Kyle on his coding adventures, where manners matter and creativity knows no bounds.